Hello, I'm Chef Tiffany, and this is Terrell, and you're watching the Puzzle Kidz Cooking Show. Woohoo! Oh yeah! Welcome back. As you know, I'm Chef Tiffany. And what we do here is help my little brother Terrell make some of his favorite meals. Since he's autistic, sometimes Terrell can't really communicate to us what he wants, so this is my way of helping him. So today's episode is Magical Moments, episode 3. And today we have lots in store for you. Yeah. No. And we're going to be making If These Walls Could Taco from my favorite Amazon Prime show called Just Add Magic. Guts. All the stuff. So Terrell, what will we need?
Taco? Today's a taco?
Tortilla.
Tomato? Cheese? Spanish?
Beef.
Beef?
And beef. And ahead of time I put the Elysian Cayenne. Yes. And when we come back, it will be time for today's sidebar. And now it's time for today's sidebar. Sidebar. Today's sidebar comes from autismspeaks.org. We always talk about autism. What does it mean? Autism spectrum disorder refers to a broad range of conditions characterized by challenges with social skills, repetitive behaviors, speech, and nonverbal communication. And that's today's sidebar. I thank you. Now we are assembling the taco. First, I'm going to put the meat. Now we're going. Now Terrell, add the toppings. We got some tomato, cheese, and spinach. I like all the cheese. Now the spinach. It's a vegetable, so we ain't putting that much. Anyway, and now it is time for zero toy. Just like in the show. Gonna be awesome. Okay. Places no secrets, you see. The scene of the crime, so to speak. Place your hand upon the wall. Yes, upon the wall. Place your hand upon the wall. Close your eyes to reveal it all. Know that when you lend an ear, you may not like all you hear. Let's see what's gonna happen. Okay. put a hand on the wall, close my eyes, and think of a place to go.
Where we at? Where's the food? What kind of food? Oh, we here. Got a pumpkin patch with darling kids and everything like that. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure you follow us on Instagram at PKCS2018 and now on Facebook at Puzzle Kidz Cooking Show.
Finally, it's over.
Well, see you next time.
Bye, 12.
Bye.